Have you ever had the need to create some random numbers? You may have gathered a large list of customers and you would like to give them unique customer numbers, those that do not follow any sequence. To do that in Excel, we can use the function called random between. Open a blank workbook and then type in equals rand between. Once we type in the open bracket, you'll see we are prompted to enter in the bottom and top values we want to use. So we will use 100 and 1000 and press enter. With this formula, we can create random numbers between the values that we specify. So in this example, we will get random numbers between 100 and 1000. Once we have made our entry, all we need to do is click the bottom right corner of the cell and drag the fill handle down, and now our other cells will be populated. One other random formula we have with Excel is the ability to create random values which are greater than or equal to 0 but less than 1, and these will be up to 16 decimal places. So if we type in equals rand, you'll notice Excel helps you to see what you're expecting, and in this case we need to add a closed bracket. And then we press enter and we have a random number generated. Now to copy that formula to the other cells, we just click on the bottom right and drag the autofill handle down, and now our other cells are populated. We have a selection of random numbers. Now say you want to regenerate those numbers again. All you need to do is copy this selection and then with the selection still highlighted, press paste. And a new set of numbers will be generated. You can also copy these to anywhere in your spreadsheet. Like so. That's a look at generating random numbers. Let's now check out some other features of Excel.